Okay, this is the second presentation of the Xiaomi water thing. Now I installed it in my bathroom, as you can see, along with a soap dispenser, and I will show you how it works. So when you put your hand here, it activates the stream of water. As you can see, there is no water leakage. In my first video, there was water leaking from both sides because it was installed just temporarily in the kitchen, and I had old faucet which I didn't want to screw too tightly. But now as you can see, it works just fine. There is no leakage anywhere because the faucet is brand new and it's working just fine. So for anyone wondering whether to buy this item, I say, yeah, it's really nice, it works. If your wife allows you to buy it, then just go ahead and get it, because it's really nice together with the soap dispenser from Xiaomi. Thanks for watching.